My name is April Sliker, and I own Little Bear PlayCare and Preschool located here in beautiful Oregon City. Little Bear PlayCare and Preschool is currently right now an in-home child care and preschool service for children ages 6 weeks to 12 years of age. We stand out because we really take the time to connect with our families first and foremost. We focus a lot on social emotional development. We also have an award-winning curriculum, and our teachers are wonderful. They have bachelor's degrees in either early childhood education or in psychology, and they have a passion for children and being involved in our community. Oregon City right now has a huge demand for early childhood education services. There's nowhere for these kids to go. 9 out of 10 places that have early childhood education services are full. We have 111 kids on our wait list, and we have nowhere to put them. We have a building right now available to us here in Oregon City. We've been approved for a $400,000 SBA loan. This is going to allow us to open this early childhood education center here in Oregon City. But in order to do that, we need $100,000 for our collateral. So right now we're asking Oregon City, we're asking the community, local businesses, parents, grandparents, friends and family to get involved and help to open this incredible early childhood education center so that way we can provide a place for all these children to go.